thank God that by His grace, I've been in GOA for the last 34 years, serving in different areas. I coordinate issues to do with the GOA Schools, and we thank God that currently we are having 1,050 children in our 5 different schools that are located in different areas. We have one school in Tumaini Complex, that is one of our children's home. We have 2 in marginalized areas, as well as an adult school, and we also have another school in the nation of Burundi. And we are so grateful to God for the great things that He has enabled us to accomplish within the 35 years. We have seen His hand upon us. We are grateful to our donors who have helped us in developing these schools, helping in constructions of the buildings. Some of these schools started in structures that were just made of sticks, but today we have permanent classrooms. They have also helped us in buying requirements like desks, books, as well as supplying food to those schools that are in marginalized areas. We realize that food is a great need, such that when there is no food, those children don't come to school, because right from their homes, they are already lacking the food. So when they come to school and get just one meal of a lunch, it helps them to remain in school. And we have also seen the hand of our Kenyan government coming in to put up some buildings, as well as paying some teachers, while GOA also partner with them in order to help in payment of some teachers. We are so thankful to God, because we have seen our children embracing education in areas like Samburu, in areas like Turkana, that where the children had no value for school. Parents as well, especially in Samburu area, have embraced the idea of schooling. And we have found that they are even opting to take care of their animals for the sake of the children to go to school.